what was the sort of initial thought process, bringing about this school segment event?
See, this event was all about bringing the school community, the principals, the teachers, the administrators, all together on a single platform to talk about the opportunity and challenges they are facing in building new generation schools in terms of ICTs, in terms of CCE, in terms of sports, in terms of fitness, in terms of all other aspects of capacity building, even budgets, administration, anything. So we conceived this school education conclave to discuss about these issues. Another highlight we thought about was to bring together government schools and private schools together. We worked really hard to bring Kendriya Vidyalaya School, Navodaya schools, and MCD schools, and various other types of government schools, all on a single platform with private schools, which are rich and even semi-aided schools. So a unique platform emerged today where all these people from different walks of life who are into the education sector came on a single platform along with solution providers in IT, in school laboratories, in fitness, even in furnitures to talk about how they can all work in synergy to build new types of schools, new generation schools.
Sir, would you also like to elaborate on about something about CCE that has been a sort of a focal point here all the day in the sessions?
The government has introduced a new way to evaluate the kids, and instead of yearly exams, then we are talking about continuous exams all over the year administered by the teachers in the school itself. So it is a in a way it is a positive step where teacher and student engagement is continuous. It's they are engaged all over the year, and students are not forced to study over the night of the annual exam and almost vomit on the exam day and forget about it. So in a way it's a positive development, but there are huge challenges of capacity building and parental orientation regarding CCE which still have to get addressed.
And so how do you see, digital learning has been a sort of a source of, leading the deliberations over ICT in education. Now, how do you see digital learning as a team and as a, publication 5 years down the line?
See, this digital learning magazine, portal, and the overall conferences, the workshops we organize, the whole agenda is to build this community around teachers, either school teachers or college teachers. The education stakeholders, the most important person is the teacher. So we want to build a community of empowered and knowledgeable knowledge bearing knowledge leadership type of teachers who will spearhead the ICT revolution in the next generation. And digital learning looks at becoming a platform where all these teachers can share their experiences and we can help document those experiences which are very important.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.